Have you ever heard of regular folks becoming millionaires overnight through unexpected investments? It may sound like a far-fetched dream, but the reality is that it has happened more often than you think. In this video, we are going to delve into the world of unexpected investments that have turned everyday individuals into millionaires, leaving many shocked and intrigued by the possibilities that lie within the realm of financial growth. Explaining the concept of unexpected investments and their impact on financial growth. Unexpected investments are those unconventional and often overlooked opportunities that have the potential to yield significant returns. While traditional investment avenues like stocks and real estate are well known, unexpected investments involve ventures that may seem risky or unconventional at first glance. However, for those who have taken the leap of faith, the rewards have been nothing short of extraordinary. These investments have the power to catapult individuals from ordinary to extraordinary wealth in a relatively short period, changing their financial trajectory forever. Highlighting the unique nature of the investments that led to millionaire status for regular individuals. What sets these unexpected investments apart is their unique and often unorthodox nature. From investing in obscure startups to backing unconventional ideas, the individuals who have struck gold through these investments have defied the norms of traditional wealth-building strategies. Their stories serve as a testament to the fact that sometimes, the most lucrative opportunities lie in the most unexpected places. Creating curiosity by hinting at the surprising nature of the investment opportunities discussed. In the upcoming segments of this video, we will uncover the untold stories of individuals who took a chance on investments that defied conventional wisdom. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the surprising nature of these investment opportunities and how they transformed the lives of regular folks into millionaires. Stay tuned for a journey that will challenge your perceptions of wealth creation and inspire you to think outside the box when it comes to investing. The unconventional path to wealth. Meet Sarah, a former school teacher with a modest income and a passion for investing. Sarah's journey to wealth began with humble beginnings, as she diligently saved a portion of her salary each month in hopes of building a secure financial future. Despite her limited resources, Sarah's determination and curiosity led her down an unconventional path that would ultimately change her life forever. Before delving into the world of unexpected investments, Sarah's financial status was typical of a middle-class individual living within her means, saving diligently, and dreaming of a brighter future. However, Sarah's keen interest in exploring alternative investment opportunities set her apart from the crowd and paved the way for her extraordinary success. It was during a chance encounter at a networking event that Sarah stumbled upon a unique investment opportunity that would prove to be the turning point in her financial journey. A startup company, founded by a group of ambitious entrepreneurs, was seeking investors to fund their revolutionary technology that promised to disrupt the industry. Intrigued by the potential of the venture, Sarah decided to take a leap of faith and invest a significant portion of her savings into the startup. The decision was not without its challenges and risks. Investing in a fledgling company with no proven track record was a gamble that many would deem too risky. Sarah faced skepticism from friends and family who questioned her unconventional choice. However, fueled by her belief in the vision of the founders and the potential for exponential growth, Sarah remained steadfast in her decision. As the startup gained traction and its technology began to gain widespread recognition, Sarah's investment multiplied exponentially, turning her initial stake into a substantial fortune. The risks she took and the challenges she faced along the way only served to amplify the sweet taste of success, solidifying her belief in the power of unexpected investments to transform ordinary individuals into millionaires. From rags to riches, a surprising journey. Let's delve into the remarkable journey of Mark, a struggling artist who went from financial hardship to unimaginable wealth through a surprising investment opportunity that defied all expectations. Before stumbling upon this life-changing venture, Mark's financial status was a far cry from the luxurious lifestyle he now enjoys. Living paycheck to paycheck and grappling with the challenges of pursuing a career in the arts, Mark's future seemed uncertain at best. The turning point in Mark's life came when he was introduced to a unique investment opportunity that would forever alter his financial destiny. Unlike traditional investment options that often require substantial capital or expertise, this opportunity was accessible to individuals from all walks of life. Mark recognized the potential for growth and decided to take a chance, investing a portion of his savings into a burgeoning market that was on the brink of explosive growth. What set this investment apart from conventional options was its democratizing nature, allowing individuals like Mark to participate in a lucrative market that was previously inaccessible to the average person. As the market flourished and demand for the product soared, Mark's initial investment multiplied exponentially, catapulting him from rags to riches in a matter of years. The key lessons that viewers can glean from Mark's unexpected success story are manifold. Firstly, it underscores the importance of being open to unconventional opportunities that may not conform to traditional investment norms. By thinking outside the box and taking calculated risks, individuals can uncover hidden gems that have the potential to transform their financial future. Moreover, Mark's journey serves as a testament to the power of perseverance and belief in one's instincts. Despite facing skepticism and uncertainty, Mark remained steadfast in his decision to pursue the investment opportunity, ultimately reaping the rewards of his boldness and foresight. This inspiring tale reminds us that wealth creation is not limited to the privileged few but is within reach for those willing to embrace the unexpected and seize opportunities that lie beyond the conventional. The hidden gem, unveiling the third millionaire maker. Are you ready to uncover the third unexpected investment that transformed an ordinary individual into a millionaire? This hidden gem promises to captivate and intrigue viewers with its mysterious nature and unparalleled potential for financial growth. As we peel back the layers of this remarkable investment opportunity, get ready to be amazed by the impact it had on the individual's financial journey and the surprising details that led to their newfound wealth. Building anticipation around the enigmatic nature of this investment opportunity, we invite viewers to embark on a journey shrouded in secrecy and intrigue. What sets this hidden gem apart from conventional investments is its elusive nature and the element of surprise that lies at its core. As we delve deeper into the story behind this millionaire maker, prepare to be astonished by the twists and turns that pave the way for unimaginable riches. The impact of this investment on the individual's financial journey was nothing short of transformative. From humble beginnings to a life of luxury and abundance, the individual's trajectory was forever altered by the decision to seize this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The hidden gem not only provided financial security and prosperity but also opened doors to a world of possibilities that were previously out of reach. Encouraging viewers to stay tuned for the surprising details of this wealth-building strategy, we invite you to witness firsthand the magic of unexpected investments and the profound impact they can have on one's financial future. As we unravel the mysteries surrounding this third millionaire maker, prepare to be inspired and enlightened by the untold story of how an average person defied the odds and achieved extraordinary wealth through a hidden gem that changed their life forever. Lessons learned and takeaways. As we wrap up our exploration of unexpected investment stories that turned regular individuals into millionaires, let's recap the key insights and lessons that can inspire and empower viewers to embark on their own wealth-building journey. By summarizing the main points of each investment success story and highlighting the importance of being open to unique opportunities, we aim to encourage viewers to reflect on how they can apply similar strategies in their own financial endeavors. In the first story, we met Sarah, a former school teacher who defied conventional wisdom and invested in a groundbreaking startup that propelled her to millionaire status. Sarah's journey underscored the importance of taking calculated risks and believing in the potential of unconventional investments to yield significant returns. Her story serves as a reminder that wealth creation often requires stepping outside one's comfort zone and embracing opportunities that may seem risky at first glance. Next, we followed Mark, a struggling artist who transformed his financial destiny through a surprising investment opportunity that defied all expectations. Mark's tale highlighted the democratizing nature of certain investments and the power of perseverance in the face of uncertainty. By seizing the chance to invest in a burgeoning market, Mark demonstrated how ordinary individuals can achieve extraordinary wealth through strategic decision-making and a willingness to explore uncharted territory. We unveiled the hidden gem that led to the third millionaire maker's success, emphasizing the mysterious and transformative nature of unexpected investments. This story served as a testament to the unforeseen opportunities that lie beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to venture into the unknown. The key takeaway from these investment success stories is the importance of being open to unique opportunities for financial growth. By embracing risk, thinking creatively, and staying vigilant for hidden gems, viewers can unlock the potential for wealth creation beyond traditional avenues. We encourage viewers to reflect on the lessons learned from these stories and consider how they can apply similar strategies in their own pursuit of financial prosperity. It's important to reflect on the transformative power of these unconventional opportunities in achieving financial milestones. The stories of Sarah, Mark, and the third millionaire maker serve as powerful reminders that wealth creation knows no bounds when one is willing to explore new horizons and embrace the unknown. The impact of unexpected investments on the lives of these individuals was nothing short of extraordinary, showcasing the potential for exponential growth and financial success that lies beyond traditional avenues. By taking calculated risks, thinking outside the box, and seizing opportunities that others may overlook, these individuals were able to rewrite their financial destinies and pave the way for a brighter future. We hope that the stories shared in this video have inspired you to think differently about wealth creation and encouraged you to consider the potential of unexpected investments in shaping your financial future. Remember, the path to prosperity is not always linear, but with an open mind and a willingness to take risks, you too can unlock the doors to financial abundance and success. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and we look forward to embarking on many more adventures together in the world of finance and investment.